What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on your 2025 Audi Q7. Now to do so, it's really easy. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and a Torx 25 screwdriver. And all you really do is pop the engine cover off, and then you have access to the air filter. To pop the engine cover off, you need to undo this clip here. So grab your flathead, insert it, and just twist it, and that clip will pop right off. Repeat the same process for the other side. Insert that flathead, pry out, and that clip will be undone. Now we're going to lift up on the engine cover in the front as well as the two sides. So lift up, that will undo that clip, and then lift up on this side. And one more time right here. That will loosen up all the clips, and then you can pop the engine cover off. And this is your air filter. So the engine air filter is held in by a Torx T25 screw located here. So grab your screwdriver, undo that screw, take the screw out. And once you have the screw removed, grab your flathead, insert it here, and pry the air filter away from this hose here. And once that is pushed to the right, we can simply grab it and take it out. Now here is the part number. I'll also leave a link in the description for the part. And to reinstall it, you make sure these 4 tabs here are lined up with these 4 tabs. Also, you want to make sure that there is a gasket on the new one. You can see there is a rubber gasket here. So it shouldn't take much force to put the air filter down. Simply sit it on top. Pull this towards the hose now to lock it into place. Making sure that both these make contact and the hoses go inside to the left. Now once you've pushed the air filter back into the housing, just give it a visual inspection, make sure that the hoses are indeed connected. And if you did have trouble removing this air filter, you can also undo this clip located here, as well as one located behind here. And that will release some of the tension to help you remove and reinstall the air filter. It basically allows the hose to freely come off. So now I'm going to grab my Torx screw, reinsert it, and then just screw it back into place. So once you have your Torx screw in place, we can put the engine cover back on. Pay attention to this point here, and this point here. That's where the engine cover will secure into place, as well as these 3 points in the center. So this is the back side of the engine cover. And again, those 3 center points, and then 3 points at the edges. So push down here. Another one's located here, here, and those center points. You do need to reinstall these clips for the engine cover. Simply grab our flathead, insert it into this notch, and then drag it above the cover. That will lock it into place, and repeat for the other side. And that's it. That's how you replace the engine air filter on your 2025 Audi Q7. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you're going to do this yourself versus taking it to the dealer. Thanks so much for watching. For more videos, check out my channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.